In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add white flash transition in Davinci Resolve. It is super simple. I'm going to show you two ways to do it, and the second is more better than the first, but here we go. So the first one is by going into your timeline and go up to the effects tab up here. Then you need to go into the video transitions and select the additional dissolve. Then from here you just need to drag it into your timeline like so, and I can quickly just show you how it's gonna look like. The next method is super simple to do and is by going up to effects tab, go down to generators and select the solid color. Then you just need to put it down into your timeline and find where you want the transition to be. So I'll quickly show you here. Now you need to get the solid color in another color, and you need to go up to generator in the inspector tab and change it into white. From here you need to go to settings and you need to find the opacity, and then you need to go over to the start of the clip of the solid color and change it to 0. Then from here you need to go over to the middle of the clip and need to make this 100, and it automatically will make a keyframe. Then you need to go over to the end of the solid color and change it over to 0 again. And then I can quickly show you how it's gonna look like. Like so. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!